That was such a good film. I can't wait for the talkback. The talkback. How do I watch the talkback? Zoom? How do I use Zoom? You mean to tell me that we've been in a pandemic for over 1.5 years and you don't know how to use Zoom? First of all, how did you get into my living room? And second of all, I might know how to use Zoom, but we're doing this for them. Oh, hello. Well, allow me to teach you everything you need to know. Come on. To get started with Zoom, head to www.zoom.us and click on the Sign Up, It's Free button that's at the top right corner of the screen. Okay? Once you receive your confirmation email, click that link to enter your credentials. Don't worry, Zoom's sign-up assistant will be there to help you along the way. Pro tip, you can sign up using your email address or do a single sign-on using Facebook or Google. Joining us on your phone? Head to your app store and search Zoom. For desktop users, head to zoom.us/download and click Download Zoom Client for Meetings. If you have a meeting link, just click on it or paste it into your web browser to join the meeting. To join using Meeting ID, open the Zoom app and click on the Join icon. Paste the meeting ID in the box provided, add your display name for the meeting, and click on the Join button. To turn on captions, click on the CC/live transcript button at the bottom of your screen and select your personal preference. You can choose to view live captions or the full transcript. After completing the initial setup, you should have your name displayed already. We would love to respect your preferred pronouns. To change your name and add pronouns, click on Participants. Next, hover your mouse over your name in the participants list and click Rename. Here, you can add your personal pronouns in brackets. If you'd like to ask a question, please use the Raise Hand feature and we will call on you. You can also react to what's going on with various emojis. Simply click Reactions at the bottom right corner. We'd like to keep the transcript as clear as possible, hence the reaction features. We also ask that you refrain from chatting in the chat box, as the chat bubbles interfere with those needing to read the closed captions. Pro tip, hold down on the spacebar to temporarily unmute yourself to speak. I did it! Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you enjoyed the festival. If you're wondering how to use our CineSend watch platform, check out that tutorial next. Bye!